This is the Beatles tune Come Together, this time as a piano accompanist. So somebody has to sing the melody, and you play the chord in your right hand, and the root note of the chord let down low as the bass note. It starts out with a C minor chord, so it's a here comes old flat top, that's C minor, C, E flat, and G. He comes grooving slowly, he got juju highball, he got holy roller, he got head down, that's a G7, B, D, F, and G, to his knees, got to be, that's F7, F, A, C, E flat, and F. He'd be a joker, he'd just do what he please, and does C minor again. He wear a shoe shine, that's C, E flat, G. He got toe jam football, he got funny finger, he shoot Coca-Cola, he say, I know you, you know me. One thing I can tell you is you got to be free. Come together, that's A minor. You could play it like that right there because the melody's pretty high. C, E, A. Come together right now. There's a F, C, F, A. And then G7, B, D, F, and G. Over me. And then it's C minor, then you got this. So that's your chord in your right hand, and then so all you've got to add after you get that down is your C chord, you got a C minor, you got a C down low. G7, you got that G, F, you do the F down low. So work on it hands alone first, and then when you get it all done, this is what it sounds like. Here comes old flat top, he comes groove up slowly, he got juju eyeball, he won holy roller, he got head down to his knees, got to be a joker, he just do what he pleased. He wear the shoe shine, he got toe jam football, he got funny finger, he shoot Coca-Cola, he say, I know you, you know me. One thing I can tell you is you got to be free. Come together right now over me. And then it repeats itself umpteen times.